G'day, V-Dub here, and how you doing? Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we take the combi down to the day of the Volkswagen. It's a show that's set up by our local club here. And yeah, so let's go and have a look at some V-Dubs. This morning it's the Volkswagen, so we're up early. We're just about to head out in the combi, and still don't trust it. You can see the toolbox in case we get a puncture, but also we got a toolbox there with some drinks for the day. Yeah, we're about to go for a drive, meet up with the guys at Hillary's. Josh has got his peak plates on, he's going to drive. So the Volkswagen Club of Western Australia is based in Perth, obviously in Western Australia. And cruises are organised once a month, but the day of the Volkswagen is one of the biggest days. Alright, so we just met up and we're just heading out now. Josh is driving. So we're travelling from Hillary's down the coast towards Fremantle. Just following along the coastal road. There's a lot of people out for walks. Another beautiful day here in Perth. Driving a bit further down through Scarborough, down past Swanbourne, along the beach at Cott, and into Freo. This is the cafe strip. And on to South Beach. Oh, over a speed bump. So we get the beat up. The Volkswagen. Just some more coming in. So, and look at the dust on the back of this car, Josh. You can see the dust on it now. So there was music playing, and the wind was also blowing every now and then. So I'm just going to voice over with music. And yeah, this is just a walk around looking at all the vehicles. There's ours. This was a very clean lake bay. Beautiful paint job. Some campers. Low light, that's actually an original Dormamobile. Fairly splitty. That's a wedge. This double cab splitty is fantastic. Beautiful car. This is an interesting splitty because the cargo doors on both sides. Always got to have a Herbie with a swamp cooler. They went all out. Another beautiful car, both these two. And the red one actually won an award. Single cab, early splitty. There's another single cab early splitty. You can see by the bullet indicators. Early bay single cab, low light. Look at the stance on that one. Another single cab, early splitty. A few bay campers. This is a beautiful car, splitty, with a lot of accessories, wheels and the headlight covers. Really well patinaed, that vehicle. And this red one's fantastic as well. All the chrome has been painted black. I really like that. Another early camper. Black bug. Early bug. This is a 1952 split window Beetle from Rhodesia. These are country buggies from Australia. Australia's version of the Trekker. This 356 is actually a kit car, but it's done so well with a lot of Porsche parts. So beach buggies. A few Manxes, again that Porsche. A lot of the Manxes over here. Beetles, Type 3s, hatchbacks, Golf, Carrera kit on a bug, and a Ute on a bug. Look at the paint on that green one and the wheels. Golf Ute from South Africa with a GP number plate. Type 3. There's some early Beetles. Super convertible. Another Super Beetle. Some more late model Beetles. was the only Baja that was there. Some more late models, some early models. I like this colour. This is a Razor, a later Carmen gear. And look at this Carmen gear with all the paint off. You can actually see the welds and the repairs. Great. We were just driving back and you can see all the kite surfers were out. And hence the wind noise was quite high. She's driving. A lot of road noise, a lot of wind noise and the radio on. But yeah, it was a fantastic day. We had a lot of fun. Met a lot of our friends. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe and leave me any comments. Thank you.